Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to create a professional Gmail account in Android. So before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button, tap on bell icon, tap on all to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. Now go to the Play Store, tap on profile icon. Now tap on switch account. Scroll down and here you will see add another account. Tap on it. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Now you will see this dashboard. Now tap on create account. Tap on for my personal use. Now enter your good name. Then tap on next. Now enter your date of birth. And select your gender. Then tap on next. Now you have to select your username and then tap on next. Now select your password and then tap on next. And tap on next. Now scroll down. Now tap on I agree. Your account create is successful. Now it will make a professional. Tap on the profile icon. Now tap on switch account. Choose the Gmail account you opened a moment ago. Tap on accept. Tap on profile icon again. Tap on manage your Google account. Tap on security and sign in. Scroll down. Tap on recovery phone. Now tap on add recovery phone. Now select your country and enter your phone number. And then tap on next. And then tap on save. Now your recovery phone number is successfully added. Now if you ever forget your password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thank you for watching this video.